Need to save important discussions, decisions, and action items from a meeting? In this video, we'll use the sound mode of the free online screen recorder to capture meeting audio for later review and follow-up. Always remember to inform all participants before recording the meeting and ensure you have permission to proceed. So let's start recording meeting audio. First, join or open your online meeting using your preferred platform. Make sure the meeting is running properly and that participants are already connected before starting the recording setup. Open the free online screen recorder and switch to sound mode by disabling the screen. Choose the correct audio sources based on your setup. System microphone for your voice, audio for meeting sound, or both if needed. Then, click the Start Recording option. Choose the Browser tab with the meeting. Make sure to toggle the button for the Also Share tab audio to capture the meeting audio clearly. After that, click Share to commence the recording. Make sure to use the microphone and system sound only when participants have agreed to be recorded. Once the Stop Sharing option shows in the meeting browser, the sound mode will now begin capturing the meeting audio in real time as the discussion continues. During the meeting, the recorder captures all spoken discussions, updates, and decisions. Ensure participants speak clearly for better audio quality in the final recording. When the meeting is finished, click Stop Sharing to end the recording session and process your audio file. Play back the recording to confirm that all key discussions are clear and that no important parts were missed. This helps ensure the recording is usable for notes and review.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining today's project meeting update. Let's review our progress and discuss any outstanding tasks before the next milestone.
Download the recorded file to your device by clicking the Download MP3. You can use it later for meeting notes, documentation, summaries, or team follow-ups.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining today's project meeting update. Let's review our progress and discuss any outstanding tasks before the next milestone.
Good morning. Overall, the project is moving on schedule. Most of the planned tasks for this week have been completed, and the remaining items are currently in progress.
Oh, that's great to hear. Can you provide any update on the content review phase?
With the sound mode of the free online screen recorder, you can easily capture meeting audio for documentation and review.